again. In this session, now we are going to learn how to do the zero shot call using Python. So this is a mostly for technical person. If you are non-technical, you can skip this one. For technical, we are going to use Spider IDE, although you can use any one IDE, whether it is the Jupyter Notebook or VS Code or PyCharm or anything. It really does not matter. We are going to run a very simple Python code. So let us start. To save the time, I have written this code, and this code will be available in my GitHub repository. I'll paste the link at the bottom of this video. These are the few of the standard library, which most of you will be knowing if you are familiar with Python. So let us run this. These two are simply some configuration for the Panda data frame so that we can see the plots in a good way. And these are the some other configurations for a Panda data frame just to see the data output. And right now I'm changing my working directory to one of the local directory over here so that I can keep on referring the data files and other things related to these ones. So those who are aware of the Python, you may be knowing that what it is doing. If you do not know, then please look at my my another course where I have explained how to do the Python, how to do the data science using Python. Okay, now we are going to do the very first thing. GenAI will be making the basic call to LLMs, and this is also known zero shot, which I have already explained in the previous video. You need to install this particular library to start working with GenAI. Since I'm working with Google one, so you need to install this one. But if you are working with OpenAI or Cloud or DeepSeek, then you have to install the corresponding library. Although the working methodology is very similar, you'll hardly find a little bit of difference, but definitely syntax is different, but working is quite seamless. So these are a few of the library which I'm going to need to call the Gemini from my local laptop. And Gemini provides this model to which I can use free of cost for right now. But definitely in future, if they are providing something else, we need to change the name. But as of now, today, this is providing free of cost. If you have taken their subscription, then definitely it will be the paid one. Okay. Now, few things. These are the few of the standard parameters like client. This is what it says that what are the various clients. And to use Gemini, you need Gemini API, which you can generate free of cost from their website. I have already generated and put it in the environment variable. And this is where I'm generating the client object, which I'll be using to connect to the Gemini cloud. And in the previous video, I have explained what is a prompt, system prompt, what is the user prompt. So here I have just made the parameter variable for those. And this is the encapsulation of the user prompt. That what it is trying to say, the role which I'm playing, that is the end user, okay, and the my prompt is a text. My prompt is a text. This is what it tried to very in a very simple way. 39. There are various configurations. In my previous video also I've said that let the configuration be as it is. In the advanced section, I'm going to explain each of the configuration and also explain you how you can really change it, fine tune and change according to the different requirement. For time being, let it be as it is. And here also see that system prompt I have given over here because this is where they need it. Now in line number 49, I'm going to call to the Gemini cloud. So here they are taking three parameters: model name, that content user, which we have generated over here, and some configuration which we have generated over here. So line 14 I am running. Since it is there from stream means you call them and you will get byte by byte, chunk by chunk. So that's what I'm going to run line number 50 and 51 in one go. So it is making the call and it has given us this output. So yeah, it has given the output, and if you see, the output is very, very exhaustive. It means it is not that in one line or something which we are looking for. It has given a detailed explanation of what we are really looking for. Plus, it has also given some of the logic, that what that logic is. Okay, it has also given that yes, population is around 8 billion of late 2023 and so on, because data on which it has been trained upon. It may not give you immediate or the data up to date today. That we'll learn in a advanced section, that if we have to get it as of today, what should be our approach. But this is what it has given it, and that's all. That's all it. But again, I would like to go ahead, since these are the calls we'll be making quite frequently. So I moved all these things encapsulated in a one function call LLM and get response. It will take the two input, system prompt and user prompt. Rest remains same. So let me run and show to you that how it becomes very, very easy. After this method and all, so I'll be changing only here system prompts and user prompts, and then I can run it. Like if you see line number 79, I'm running very simple way, and 81 to 82 exactly. This is what it has done it. Okay. Again, I want to run one more times, and I will show you that why I'm running the more time without changing the system and user prompt. Exactly the same thing without changing any system and user prompt. Uh, Now, if you see that without changing any system prompt, I'm getting sometimes this kind of answer, sometimes I'm getting this kind of answer, and when the same user prompt, I was getting this kind of answer. This is called hallucinations. That almost every time it is giving you, trying to give you the different answer. To the point it is same, that around 8 billion people are there, but the way it is making the paragraph, the way it is formatting the answer, it is little bit different. As a human, we can definitely understand, but your code and your system may need extra intelligence to really parse these things, parse this output. That I'll explain you in the later video, that how can you parse this video and get exactly one number what you are really looking for. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.